This is a demonstration of using Wise ThinOS to connect to a Citrix Zen environment. In this case, it's going to be Zen app, and configuring it to auto connect to an application or an application list. In my case, today we're going to connect to a Zen app environment, and we're going to do this manually. Note that the preferred method to configure devices would generally be to do so centrally, either with Dell Wise Cloud Client Manager or with a file server with a wnos.ini configuration file. Those methods can be found in the administrator guide. First thing we're going to do is go to Desktop, System Setup, and Remote Connections. We're going to click Citrix Zen to configure our Zen app broker. In this case, mine is zenapp.wisedemo.demo. We're going to apply the default domain so we don't have to type this in every time. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. And you may have noticed the auto connect list parameter there. I left that blank at this point because I want to show you the easiest way to find the farm name and application name, which we will need to configure the auto connect list. So we'll go ahead and log in. And let's auto launch calculator. It's a simple application. So in this case, when I hover over it, I see my farm name, application name. So what we need to do to make that auto launch is we just need to come back to remote connections, go to the auto connect list, and let's add it to the list. Note that it is case sensitive, so you'll want to apply those settings correctly, and then we'll sign off and sign in again. And the calculator will launch automatically. There it is. So if you wanted to auto launch two applications, you would simply add a semicolon as a delimiter and put the second application name. Apply that. We'll sign off and sign on again to demonstrate the launch of multiple applications. You see calculating starting and desktop starting. And the desktop's going to start as a full screen application. I can go back to the desktop and see that the calculator also launched.